Hello guys, we are still cruising, we are still going, and in this video we are going to do another lab for KillerCoda. And again, these ones are free lab that you can do yourself, and this is for the CKA. I'm practicing for my CKA exam, and for this one it is saying for this question, please set the context. So let's go ahead and press here, and it sets the context for you. And then refresher, deploy the pod, name my pod. However, while specifying the resource limits, they mistakenly given 100 storage limit instead of 50. Node doesn't have sufficient resources, so change it to 50 only. All right, so let's go ahead and go to resource management. All right. And I think I remember reading about this. Let's just search for storage. How can we do that? Well, actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and also do a let's say get. Well, let's just go to edit the pod, name my pod. And over here you can see that the resource limits memory and the memory only. And you would think, where is the storage that I need to limit? And over here they're saying it is 100 for storage, and the limit is 100, and the pod is requesting 50. But we need to limit this to 50. That's what they're saying. But they're saying it's storage. Why are they saying storage? So over here, if you look, I think there is a. See if I can find it. The storage. I read something about this. Oh, there's a lot. Let's go ahead and search for, I believe it's ephemeral storage. I was doing some research over here. Okay, here it is. So the memory limit for the pod or container can also apply to pages in memory-backed volumes, such as an empty directory. The kubelet tracks TMPF's empty directory volumes has container memory use rather than as local ephemeral storage. So basically, the memory impacts the storage of a pod of our container. So that's why what we need to do is edit or set the limit for the memory, which is this guy right here. So what I would like to do is, one of my best ones is I want to save this pod. So the easiest way to do this that I found is you just do a get and pod, and if you do YAML, so export as a YAML, you can see the whole thing over here, right? So now I just want to save this to a file. So you can go like this and just call it my pod, just the same name as the pod, .yaml. And then after this, we can do get k delete pod, my pod, my pod, and then we can just say force, so it doesn't take as long. It just deletes it right away. K get pod. Yep, nothing there. It is not there. Looking good. So now we can go ahead and edit this file, my pod, and in here we want to set the limit to 50. Save it, and then you can just go ahead and create your pod. Create f my pod. Okay, get, or you can do k edit pod my pod. And you can see it over here, it's now set to 50, so that is good. Save it, and we can say k get pod my pod to make sure it's running, and it is running. Great. So we did that. Let's go ahead and check, and validation successful. Great. Yep, guys, this is it for this video. Just wanted to show you that actually the memory impacts the storage of a pod or a container. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.